Welcome to the user interface demo of the Ninetology U9 X1. So this is what the UI looks like. No longer it comes with any Go launcher or any other launcher with the phone. It comes with stock Android launcher. So that's good news, I guess. Apart from the launcher, even the lock screen, since it's running on Android 4.2, it supports lock screen widgets where you can add widgets to a lock screen. As you can see over here, I already added my calendar as my widgets, or I can add other widgets as well if I want to. So all you have to do is just scroll from the side of the screen on your lock screen, and if you scroll the screen from the right side, you get access to quick camera mode, which you can use to quickly capture any picture that you want, like if there's a shutter chance or anything. And unlock your phone like that. So these are the app drawer. Some of the apps that you see over here is I installed by myself, such as this Antutu benchmark. So I'll just let you see the score of the Antutu benchmark for this phone. This phone's running on a quad-core processor, so if it goes over 10,000 mark, that's no surprise at all. Got 12,000 is what its score. So NQ Mobile Security comes with the phone, Adobe Reader comes with the phone, 3D Mark. Just let you see the score of the 3D Mark for this U9 X1. So I ran through those two tests already, and I'll just let you see the results. So the highest Ice Storm score is 3000 plus, and Ice Storm Extreme score is 1500 plus. So I guess it's an average score for a quad-core processor handphone with the PowerVR SGX 545, I think. We'll get to that later. So Antutu tester. Here I'll show you the multi-touch test. This screen actually supports 10 touches at a time. So 5 touches already, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, I guess. Yep, 10 touches. So you can just game on this phone with your 10 fingers simultaneously. Another neat feature that comes with the phone is the backup and restore feature, which requires your SD card to put in. So you can back up and also restore all your data, your application data, your messages, everything without rooting the phone anymore. So no root is required to use the backup function. So good. Browser. This browser that comes with the phone is the stock Android browser instead of the Chrome browser that's other Android phone, Android 4.2 that comes with. So it's a good news as well. You get the stock browser, which is awesome. It's fast, it's simple. You can put in the Flash plugin and it will just run very well on the stock browser. And so as usual, you get the calculator, calendar, the camera. We'll get to that later. Clock, contacts, CPU Z. I'll show you the CPU Z's data for this phone. Just quickly went through with everything. We already know that it's a quad-core processor. The clock speed range from 400 to 1.2. 1.2 is the max speed of the ARM Cortex-A7 quad-core, the Mediatek chipset. So the GPU is a PowerVR SGX 544NP GPU. System MT6589 running on Android 4.2.1. Screen resolution is 720 x 1280 with screen density of 320 dpi. Total RAM available to user is 971 megabytes, and internal storage 3.94 gigs. That's where you install all your application, the space for your application. Battery is good. Sensors, you get accelerometer, proximity sensor, light sensor, orientation sensor, magnetic field sensor. So you don't get any magnet sensor for this one, but compass sensor for this one, but there's a solution for that. I'll show you later. Downloads, the usual stuff. Email, that trigger is what I've downloaded. Facebook comes pre-installed, so you don't have to download on your own. FM radio, so this phone has FM radio. The gallery, as usual with all other Android phones. Gmail, Google. So since it's running on Android 4.2, you get the Google Now, where you can search for anything. Let's say I'll ask Google now. What is the capital city of Canada?
Tomorrow's forecast for Ottawa is 21 degrees with a chance of rain.
So that's some of the functions that you can do with the Google Now. Google Settings, Google Plus, Hangouts, Local, M Warranty, which comes with all Ninetology phones. News and Weather, Note, Phone, Play Store, QR Droid. It comes with a QR Droid. You can use this to scan barcodes or QR codes. Wheel Racing 3. You can play that on this phone. Search, Settings, Symptoms. There it is, Smart Compass. So although it doesn't have compass sensor, it comes with an app called Smart Compass, so it will still function well. Still a compass you can use, so no worries for that. Sound recorder, setting free. User manual. So from now on, there are user manual that comes with the phone, where you can read all your manual. You don't have to necessarily use, or you have any doubts at all, you can just refer from here. And over here you can see how clear the 720p HD screen is. You can actually read all the contents or any articles as well without zooming in, because the 720p HD screen is good enough, and it's an AMOLED screen, of course. Looks very vivid, looks very clear. Vault, video player, voice search, WeChat, all those already comes pre-installed. Now let's take a look on the camera. Camera is a 30 megapixel at the back and 2 megapixel at the front. You can change camera settings. Okay, let's get to the default, where you can change a lot of parameters. You can switch between front or back camera. You can set your flash. There are some settings you can change. GPS location info, all this you can change. This is for the camera. There are zero shutter delay, which, let me show you that. Turn it on, should be. We'll try that. Yeah, there you go. Zero shutter. Very quick, very fast. I also have face detection, self timer, continuous shot up to 99 shots. Up to 99 shots. Picture size you can choose whether 30 megapixel, 853, yep, up to 13. Preview size, standard or full screen. That's the preview after you capture your photos. Let's take a look on the videos. So EIS, microphone, audio mode, normal, meeting, video quality fine, which is a 1080p, I believe. So that's about the camera. And before we end this video, take a quick look on the settings. So there are SIM management, since there is a dual SIM handset. So the dual SIM capability is you don't have necessary to put your data SIM on SIM 1 or SIM 2 or either one, because both SIM 1 and SIM 2 works. The data works on both SIM, so you can use both instead of just one data SIM at a time, or you need to switch when you want to use the other ones. So the other thing about this phone is this: use USB internet, sharing Windows PC internet via USB cable. So there's a problem where you cannot connect to Wi-Fi, let's say, but your computer can connect to the internet. So you want to use the internet connection from your computer. All you have to do is use the USB internet to connect to the internet through your PC to the interwebs. Another thing about this phone is this. I'll show you. sound enhancement, best audio enhancement, audio enhancer for earphone. So if you turn this on, it's supposed to enhance your music, your audio only through your earphone. You cannot, even if this comes out through the back speaker, you won't notice it at all. You only notice it if you use your headphones. Display, some parameters you can change. Storage format is 3-layer, where the first layer is for app only. It gives you 4 gigs of apps only layer. Second layer is all the other stuff, which is 9 gigs. So the third layer is of course your SD card, which I don't have right now. Security. As for the security, this is a one neat function, voice unlock. So you can use your voice to unlock your phone instead of just using face. There are no face unlock weirdly, but no issue at all. You can use other methods like pattern or password. Oh, the voice unlock is a new one, so it's a neat feature. I'm not sure whether other phones have that or not, but yeah, this is the first time I saw voice unlock. Location access, security, switch settings. So this is a new one as well. Smart hands-free, direct call. I think that's pretty much about it. This is neat widgets, comes with the phone. That's all for the user interface demo for the U9 X1. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.